You like what?
Noise.
Oh.
The louder the better. Tiny,
It's trying to make noise, doesn't it?
don't touch the boat.
Okay.
Hello internet. Long time no see. Couple of days. No. Minutes. Seconds. How I despise you. My favourite place on the internet?
I has cheeseburger.
No, that's cute, but it doesn't entertain me for very long. I guess shopping, probably. No, live journal. Yeah, live journal's my favourite place. Where's your favourite place? Porn.com.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Porn.
Lots of mama.
Oh, I laughed again. I hate my laugh.
Your mama.
But what a good domain name. Like, that's very original. Yeah.
Porn.com.
Porn.com.
It's straight to the point, I guess.
You know what you're looking for? Yourmama.com.
Yeah, I like that too. Let's look it up.
No, honey, I don't want to look at yourmama.com. What if it has your mama on it?
It won't have
Oh, I see your mama.
It won't be her.
No,
It'll be someone else's.
Not ready to see your mama.
But she's on the top of your things to do list.
Her mama's on the top of my things to do list.
Her mother's not on the top of mine. She's alright. I'm kidding. Your mum's lovely.
Not too lovely. Kimberly puts some clothes on, you be it skanky. Kimberly puts some clothes on. Oh, you know what I don't like on the internet? Maggie Bond.
What?
Maggie Bond. You know the girl that's like,
Oh yeah. Who wants to look at her face for that long?
especially not mine. Maggie Bond. There you go. Yeah. No, she doesn't open her mouth like that, Tony. It's just her eyes. And what? And she will sort of. No, she certainly doesn't do this. I'm Maggie Bond.
Oh, poor Maggie Bond. We just picked on her. You're not that much of a loser.
Maggie,
just a little.
Maggie Bond has no soul, so I'm sure she doesn't even care. What? Do you hate me?
No, I'm just seeing what's going on with this screen.
Nothing is going on with
Are
this
you drawing on my face? My uterus? My little.
My uterus.
Yeah, that looks like a U and a T. My little poo. My little poony.
Oh.
Is that a poop?
Yeah, it's a poop, but I'm sorry, it's a bit, bit hard to draw.
That's a shit poop.
No.
It's got wings. Where's this unicorn horn? I want a unicorn.
Wait, you're making me laugh. It's harder to draw when I laugh. There's its bushy tail and its little ears. Oh my god.
Ponies? They need a mane before they have ears. They need a mane.
Where's its mane gonna go? It's hardly
Behind its ears. The solid looks like some sort of poo tiger.
That's my little poony. I'm sorry, I can't draw.
Can I draw?
Ponies. No, you can't draw. Okay, go ahead, draw. You have to use this colour.
Okay. Keep your head very still.
How are you going to get over the sharks?
I love sharks. I chomp on Kim. I chomp on shit. Oh.
I'll be eaten by a shark. I'll be eaten by a shark.
Shark is hungry.
Hit me, hit me. I've been eaten by the shark. I've been eaten. I got eatsted. I got eatsted.
Here's the water. Here's the jaws. Dun-dun. Maybe our videos would be more interesting if we got one of those effects that make us look fat and skinny at the same time.
Fat and skinny at the same time.
You know what I mean? Everybody looks like a psycho.
That's not it.
No.
That doesn't really do very much. I think it look better there.
The shit is
I'm so ugly. I come to kill ye. I come to kill ye.
Yeah, that looks like them.
Oh, oh, oh. What's going down here? Oh no, where'd I go? Where'd I go? Got shot. Nigga, please.
You can't say nigga, you wear black.
Oh, that's not my choice.
You're hogging.
It's a bit unreasonable of me to want to be the mutated one on my own computer. I got shot, big eyes, sir, big eyes.
Oh, big eyes.
You're so glowy, you're so glowy.
This is what it looks like when you go to heaven. Our faces shine down on you. It's like, come into the face. The light of the face.
No, bitch, die. No, let's die.
Nine.
Why are we dying?
Nine.
Two more. I've come to eat you. I want
to be in the middle.
You can't. You cannot be in the middle. Okay. Since we're not really doing anything productive here, I think we should leave. Goodbye.